Hello dear customers, welcome to Temelsan. Touch screen or joystick screen machines has same method of servicing jaws. Before you start to work on it, please shut down the machine from main switch. With this you get secure yourself. We can start to remove the jaws. For removing the right side jaw, first handle the fixing shaft and slide it to the right side. After that, keep the clamping head, slide it to the front and take it away. Do it same for the left jaw as well. After this operation, with the number 6 Allen key, you can untie the screws to remove the jaws from the clamping heads. You have to be sure those jaws are grinding together as a set of jaws. Other case, you will have the leveling problem on welding procedure. Yellow jaws can be removed from the machine body with using number 6 Allen key. Those are the specific screws, so please do not change it. After untied those screws, you have to pick up and slide it to the front and take away the yellow jaws. Do not forget, yellow jaws or steel jaws, they should be grinded as a set. On the second part of the video, we will learn how to replace the jaws on the position. Before starting to replace the yellow jaws, you have to clean the yellow base on the machine body. Be carefully, do not have any sparks or any dust on it. Also, you have to do the same instruction for the yellow jaws surfaces as well. Replace the yellow jaws on the position as you can see on the video. Then tight screws with number 6 Allen key. Please tight those screws well. you have to clean clamping head surfaces. Also, the steel jaw surfaces, be carefully to be out of dust and out of oil. Then you can replace the jaws on the clamping heads and tight the screws with number 6 Allen key. Take the clamping head, helping with the fixing shaft. Slide the clamping hand on the position and slide the fixing shaft on the right position. You can start your machine